So in this video we are going to look at multiplication of numbers close to a base when one number is above and the other number is below the base. Let's say base is 10 and your numbers are 9 and 13. Now if I compare 9 with 10, I get minus 1. If I compare 13 with 10, I get plus 3. So what is minus 1 into plus 3? That is minus 3. Now you need to be careful with signs. So what I'll do is I'll write minus 3. Now what was our rule? That after partition you can have as many digits as the number of zeros in your base. So since your base is 10, you need to have only one digit and you are getting minus 3. So I'll put a 0 above that particular number. So I'll write a 0 and then do the normal summation that I do for any such case. So 13 minus 1 is what? 12. And I'll treat this as 120 minus 3. What is 120 minus 3? 170. So that is your answer. Let's look at another example. Let's say 96 into 107. What is 96? Minus 4 if I compare it with 100 as base, and 107 is plus 7. So minus 4 into 7 is what? Minus 28. And your base is 100. So you can have two digits after partition, but you are getting a negative sign. So you put two zeros. 107 minus 4 is what? 103. So this is 10300 minus 28, which is nothing but 10272. So this is your answer. Now let's look at the third example where base is 1000. Okay. So let's say 997 into 1012. So 997 is minus 3 and 1012 is plus 12. Minus 3 into plus 12 is what? Minus 36. Your base has 3 zeros, so I put 3 zeros. And 1012 minus 3 is 1009. So this will be my answer. 1009 followed by 3 zeros minus 36, which will be 1008964. So the only thing that you need to remember is that you need to be very careful with signs. Make sure that you are writing signs everywhere, because you are comparing numbers with a specific numbers, and one is less than the base, the other is above the base. So make sure you write this carefully and account for that when you are performing this particular summation.